Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into rally. 4 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Demonstration. Which means a public meeting or march protesting against something or expressing views on a political issue. Demonstration. For example, he traveled to Paris to join an anti-racism demonstration. Number 2. Assembly. Which means a group of people gathered together in one place for a common purpose. Assembly. For example, an assembly of dockers and laborers. Number 3. Meeting. Which means an organized event at which a number of races or other sporting contests are held. Meeting. For example, an athletics meeting. Number 4. Gathering. Which means an assembly or meeting, especially one held for a specific purpose. Gathering. For example, she rose to address the gathering. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.